Reggae, yeah, man. Keep a walking, shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he'll light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep a never turn around. Every step a quiet vow to hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's power. Born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright. Keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but Jah reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind. Keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them marks who light the star. Keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told. Keep us on so strong, so bold. Babylon fed, but still he stay. Keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit. Keep our heart forever beat. Poet dream and vision clear. Keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer. Keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise. Keep a shine where darkness lies. Oh, 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 oh. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Dum, 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 da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Morning come and light reveal. Keep us work beneath the steel. Every shadow fade away. Keep a bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free. Keep a God eternity. Every soul he helped to rise. Keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame. Keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep a song strong and pure. Carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone. Keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide. Keep a walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun. Keep us work is never done. Oh, one da da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Dum, 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 one da da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, wa da dum dum. Aye aye, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh, 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 oh. Deep where sea and lightning meet. Ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame. Every drop a sacred name. Fish I see the glow below. Ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear. Truth of Jah draw ever near. Elders stand upon the sand. Ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze of him so sweet. Heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain. Ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm. Ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue. See the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace. Ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away. Ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer. Ocean flame still burning there. Poet write by lantern light. Ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave. Every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow. Ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free. Burning deep beneath the sea. Child them laugh upon the shore. Ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love, like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end, ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand. Ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea. Light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, bold and high. Ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire, bright and pure. Cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone. Light of Zion, carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free. Ocean flame, eternity. Water, fire, earth and sky, Jah creation sanctified.
Ganja is the life, yeah, man. Carver sit by morning flame. Chisel sings your holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace. Light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep. Spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain the stories run. Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code. Path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and hate. Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born. Light of mercy crowned him on. He carved the lion, strong and wise. He carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam. Carver build them, judge a dream. No illusion, no deceit. Light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, Carver carve with patient will. Every piece of world reborn, from the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind. Light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow. Carver live in spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree. Carver bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the song. Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve bright and clear. Shape the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, and a flame. Write Jah glory, praise his name. Light Carver, child of peace. Build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone. Carver sing creation song. Ever shining, pure and grand. Craft of love from Jah hand. Every shape both rough and fine. Light Carver, soul divine. Zion Ganja Yaman. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine. Wings of soil, divine design. Elder kneel and touch the dust. Wings of ground he hold in trust. Every seed a dream reborn. Fly from dusk to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low. Wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky. Spirit rise, them never die. Wings of ground make word his own. Every phrase I float upright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sing in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. must bring reward. Blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down. Wings of ground where nature's ground. Every root and every leaf carry message of belief. Child them dance upon the plain. Wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree. Spirit whisper silently. No despair, no fear remain. Wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow. Earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low. Wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise pure and free. Carry truth and harmony. Wings of the ground, bold and wide. Lift the heart from deep inside. Never fading, never still. Wings of Jah, obey His will. Everlasting, firm and true. Wings of love for me and you. From this isle to endless sky. Wings of ground will never die. Oh, die.
Zion echoes. Rasta man is so high. Me see the world upon the people a fight. Me see the innocent a lose them light. The leaders a trick with them full of lie. Them sell with soul and them can't deny. But me say unity are the way fi trod. Jah give we love and me nah go mad. Black, white, yellow or brown. Me no see no color when me look pan town. Me walk on the street and me feel the pain. The ghetto youth cry them a live in vain. The war machine it a take them soul. The world so cold but Jah make we bold. So me chant me psalm and me sing me song. Me know the righteous a go stand up strong. No more war, no more hate. We are open the gate, make love penetrate. One world, one people. One love, one heart. No more division, make we take a fresh start. One world, one people. Stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright. Where the darkness can't fight. Them build up the borders, them build up the walls. Them want we separate, but love never falls. The rich get richer, the poor them ball. But me hear Jah voice, it a make the call. Tell the youth them rise up tall. The wicked can't win, them can't stand at all. Me sight the future, it bright and clean. The vision of Jah, me know say real. No matter where you come from, no matter the race. We all are Jah children, the same embrace. So put down the gun, put down the fight. One world together make we live upright. The system a fail, the walls a break. Jah warriors rise, make the whole earth shake. No more war, no more crime. Love in a me heart, me a make it shine. No more pain, no more hate. The time for unite, me can't hesitate. One world, one people. a fresh start. One world, one people, stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright, where the darkness can't fight. One world, one family, one destiny. Jah guide we all, that's the legacy.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes, feel the bass line deep. This reggae rhythm wake you from sleep. Light up the chalice, slow and wise. We travel far beyond the skies. Me nah fly plane, me ride the sound. Me leave me flesh, me soul unbound. Me float on clouds, me reason star. Jah kingdom not far, it's right where you are. Nobody stop this cosmic gate. Me spirit move in timeless state. Meditation guide the route, while drum beat chant out sacred truth. Rasta astral flight, hold tight, we blazing love, we blazing light. High grade in a chalice, firm in sight. We levitate through Jah divine night. No gravity can hold we down. We wear the herb like royal crown. Rasta flight, no end, no start. Jah navigation, lead me heart. Me touch Saturn, reason with moon. Sing praises under cosmic tune. Them can't block this vibration ride. Me soul no hide, me not divide. Me meet me ancestors in a light. Them say keep chanting your future bright. Them hand me drum, me hand them flame. Together we beat Babylon shame. Stars whisper secrets in a ear. Me see so clear when me not fear. Ganja leaf expand me view. Me see me purpose, me path, me crew. So light it up, no be afraid. This herbal wisdom long time made. It not just I, it's ancient code. Unlock your soul, walk your road. Breathe in slow, hold your vibe. Feel your presence, start to scribe. The rhythm guide, me body sway, but me soul a travel far away. Rasta astral flight through space. We chanting strong in Jah embrace. No dark force can dim this glow. We shine like sun, high and low. Take a draw, then let it be. The spirits rise eternally. Rasta flight through sound and flame. No passport need, just Jah name. Me see planet Earth from far above. So much pain, so little love. But in a heights, me find the key. Rasta way, set a mind free. Me chant one love for the human race. Me chant more peace in a every place. Me chant them wake from mental trap. Me chant till Babylon wall collapse. So when you smoke, not just get high. Use the herb, fee open your eye. Give thanks, reason, listen well. Jah live inside where truth a dwell. Astral flight, we rise above. No hate, just urban roots in love. We no chase fame, we seek light. Reggae meditation in the night. So if you're ready, step inside. Let Rasta rhythm be your guide. Close your eye, inhale Jah flame, and ride the wave. No fear, no shame. Zion echoes, vol 5 complete. The message strong, the rhythm sweet. Next journey soon come. Hold on tight till then, keep flying through the EA night.
Them sell illusion, them twist the tale, them hide the truth behind the veil. Them talk about justice, but still deceive. The people suffer while them thief and leave. Them print the money, them buy the soul. Them push corruption, them take control. But the time I come, the people wise. The real foundation can't compromise. Me see them talk, but them can't walk. Them set the trap, but me can't get caught. The wicked plan, but Jah design. The righteous rise in a due time. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. Me look around, me see the scheme. Them poison the youths with false dream. Them promise gold, but give with brass. Them sell the future, but we can't lose. The history book, full of deceit. Them rewrite the past, them try to delete. But we ancestors chant it strong. The knowledge live, it can't be gone. Them push religion to keep we down. But Jah within, him wear the crown. No church, no pope, no false decree. The spirit free eternally. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. The wicked fear when we unite. The darkness fade when we hold the light. The system weak, the foundation shake. The truth reveal, the blind awake. The people know, the people feel. The righteous stand, the message real. No more games, no more tricks. We chant it down, no politics. From Africa land to Kingston town, the revolution can't be drowned. The message strong, the heart them pure. The youths them rise, Jah love endure. We chant it loud, we chant it clear. The time is now, we can't have fear. The table turn, the fire spread. The wicked run, the system dead. No matter what. Zion echoes, yeah man. Rasta VIBES inna the house. Them hand you a screen and call it life. Feed you ads, feed you strife. Every scroll a silent chain. Wrap your mind in digital pain. Me see you cry without real tears. Them drowning likes, them swimming fears. This modern trap looks so sweet, but me soul not dance to synthetic beat. Me close me eyes and me eardrum call. Old time rhythm break down wall. Ancestor voice in a breeze me feel. Remind me spirit what's truly real. Them want we scroll but now reflect. Live in illusion, disconnect. But me walk barefoot, connect with ground. Me feel vibration in every sound. Digital chains can't hold thy soul. Me ancient fire still burn all. We not sell truth for them glitter gold. Me chant for love, me chant for bold. In a Babylon click and code. Me trod pan righteous road. Them try trap I in a net, but but Zion spirit never fret. Me remember when we talk face to face. Now me see art hide behind the interface. Emoji replace the real emotion. Me bring back roots like sacred potion. Me not judge, me not shame. Me just bring fire in a righteous flame. Fi wake them up from digital sleep. Fi plant them soul in soil so deep. Them worship algorithm like it's Jah, but me see clear, me not in awe. Me build me temple out of sound, where truth and rebel chants abound. Me see Babylon, self-fake dreams, plastic reality split at seams. But the ancient soul still here to fight, still chanting a moonlight chant fi right. Digital chains can hold thy soul. Me ancient fire still burn old. We not sell truth fi them glitter gold. Me chant fi love, me chant fi bold. In a Babylon click and code, me trod pon righteous road. Them try trap I in a net, but Zion spirit never fret. Me plant me words like sacred tree. Let the roots run wild and free. Me not fear them pixel storm. Me heart warm in Jah farm. Them track me step, me breath me move, but love can't feel.
Zion echoes. Zion echoes. Yeah. Me walk the freedom road, me eyes wide open. Me feel the power, me heart unbroken. The struggles of life, me carry them with pride, but me never give up, me always astride. The chains them a fall, the barriers break. Me rise for the people, for the steps me take. Me feel the energy, me feel the strength. Me walk in a Jah light, me go the length. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. The road me walk it no easy fi travel, but me know me purpose, me ready fi battle. Me never fear the storm, me weather the rain. Me know after the struggle me will feel the gain. Me fight for the freedom of the hearts and the soul. Me raise the banner of peace, me rock the roll. The fire of me spirit, the light in my chest. Me live for the people, me do me best. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. From the mountains to the sea, me free like the breeze. Me rise with the power, me move with ease. The road is long but me never tire. Me driven by the force, me heart full of fire. Me trust the journey, me trust the plan. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me clan. Through the struggle, me find me way. Me walk the freedom road, me see the day. Me dreams are the future, me dreams are the light. Me know me vision clear, me ready for the fight. Me heart full of hope, me soul full of peace. Me rise every day, me never cease. The freedom me seek it deep in me heart. Me follow the truth, me play me part. From the shackles of the past, me break the chain. Me free in a Jah, me feel the gain. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Ooh.
give me the cassette. Early in the morning, sun a shine bright. Grab me chalice, start me day right. Breathe in the love, exhale the pain. Herb of Jah bring sunshine for rain. On the hills where the Rasta trod, chant Jah psalms, give thanks to God. The breeze whisper sweet, the sky are blue. Every puff remind me what is true. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. They rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high. Like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. From the streets of Kingston to Cali breeze. Herb I travel like waves in the seas. Purple haze, our OG gold. The message in the smoke, our story told. Babylon system, them full of greed. But Jah herb make the mind feel freed. We chant for the youth, for the next generation. The herb is love, not just recreation. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. Me rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high. Like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. We chant down Babylon, smoke the fire. Burn negativity, rise up higher. From Kingston streets to Cali breeze. The herb unite we, set we free. Green blessings, them flow through my veins. Jah herb wash away all the pain. Forever grateful, Jah light to shine. Green blessings, divine and kind.
Deep meditation, man. Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretch to reach the sun.
through the drought. Tree of life still stand devout. Babylon axe can't cut it down. It wear Jah roots like holy crown. It guard the path to righteous way. Mark the place where children play. Every ring inside the wood tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate. Hear the whisper, feel the fate. Tree a talk in ancient tongue. Tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it dropped today carries Zion far away. Through the night, from dawn again till evening call. Tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend. It stand in strength till very end. From root to leaf, from sea to sky. Tree of life will never die. Just spirit deep inside. From soil to star, from root to crown. Tree of Zion hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of just and mighty still. Tree of life so strong and free. Spread Jah to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side. Tree of life forever
Na 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 na. Let the session begin, Zion.
Me walk barefoot on the early dew. Me carry herb and heart so true. Me sip tile from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jah dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit. With wisdom leaf me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty moon. A higher life, me no reborn. With every draw, me spirit grow. In ganja fire, me truths overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks swaying in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird on every wing. Rasta way, not just a fad. It's how me live and me give thanks to that. Zion high, me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in a night.
Na na na, Cali cushion in the morning, yeah man. Early morning light kiss the hills. Smoke rising slow, just spirit it fills. I wrap me dread in sacred thought. One love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth. Meditation, bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine. Through herbs and rhythm I realign. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars. Beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer. Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown. Only ganja, steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust. In ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow. Where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a misty vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophet, hold me faith. Only truth me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon noise decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rising, Jah we praise. Every inhale, a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With roots reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free to the
Me day upon the earth with no chain for me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life, just the sun, me herbs, and natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan, feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper, secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom are that me need. Herb in a chalice, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta now run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. Ital still cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a job place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me in a guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one high, give thanks in song. Rasta not stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me jaw in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full, full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside drum to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with Naya Bingy flame. Me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of rhythm and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom.
Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta pushing at the area, man.
Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock swing between the trees. Me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the Rastafari with soul. Me not chase riches, me not seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon torch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No hate, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time, sacred place, yeah. Herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. So me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tone. Zion echoes, we stand alone. In a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night till end and night. Aye, aye, aye. Jamaica, she's your man. Early morning sunrise on me windowsill. Burning herbs with peace, Jah love I feel. Me soul awaking, no stress, no war. Just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant now ya bingy, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. I reread him from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright. Me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Call me name, ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land, where peace I stay. No politics, no wicked plan, only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true, under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chant psalms and dance in grace, with sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane, through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong, and every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me nah be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every shore, and chant for peace forevermore. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ganja smoke, yeah man. Early na the morning, me rise with Jah sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember worth. Roots of the morning light, guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting inna me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite, me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind reset. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Ay, ay, ay. Smoke a cushion, man. Morning rise, the sky so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy, sun illuminate eternity. Children laugh in golden flame. Sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion bless below. Bloom, the river shine. Son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road. Sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of Jah, forever guide. Generations see the sign. Son of Zion, bright line. Through the storm, Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of Jah light the way. Every heart of fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Son of Zion never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion shine with grace. Everlasting, pure and true. Son of Zion for me and you. From creation till today. Son Son of Jah forever stay.